beautiful people, welcome back to my channel where we're all about leveling up, elevating, and living our absolute best lives. So I'm really excited about this video today because obviously you guys know I'm very much into beauty and style, and this particular brand reached out to me. She's a wonderful person. She lives in London, England. However, she is of Ugandan descent, and she has a brand called Aronsé Cosmetics. So what I love about it is that technically that would be a Ugandan owned brand, and I don't think there's any Ugandan owned beauty brands, and especially of high quality, which I appreciate about this particular brand. So let's get straight into this video. So basically I was gifted with a palette, 3 lipsticks or lip glosses, like liquid lips, 2 lashes, and lash glue, but that's not part of the brand. She was just helping me out because she saw my struggle on Instagram. So anyways, I want to get right into the best part, which is the palette. It is my favorite part. I absolutely love how high quality these colors are. They are very pigmented. They look very good on dark skin, and I am darker, so if things turn up on me, you know it's good quality. They're not chalky, they're not ashy, they're really true to the colors that they show on here, so I really do love that about it. And she did a very good job picking colors that are very, not just pigmented, but very complementary to darker skin tones as well as lighter skin tones too. So I really do appreciate that about it. You guys know I love a purple lid, so the minute I opened it, I was just so happy to see purples and golds. Gold is my go-to when I want like a regular kind of glam, and then when I want to be really me, I have like a purple pop-in, you know, shimmer in the middle kind of lid. That's really my thing. So I absolutely love this palette. Like, you guys, just take this in. Like, they look so nice, and I think from this view they look a little bit intimidating, but once they are actually on your skin, they're freaking gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. And from the palette I am currently wearing, like you can see, it pops, and I didn't even have to like do too many swipes or anything like that. Like, they were just naturally went on my eye. It looked really pretty. They worked really well. But I'm wearing Investments and I'm Rich. So I'm Rich as the base and Investments on top. And then I did smoke it. So I will say that what I do love for my skin tone I love smoky eyes. That's just me generally speaking. So I do like when palettes come with blacks and a dark brown that accommodates for my color, because you do want a brown that works, even though I am brown obviously, but just something that's a little bit more dark chocolate and slightly richer for my skin tone, and also for people who are a little bit darker than me, more like South Sudanese kind of skin tones. So I can't wait for her to come out with another palette that will definitely have those deeper colors available in it. But I do like that these colors kind of work for any time of the year, which is really nice. And then I just use an Anastasia to like smoke the outsides of my eyes. If you haven't already, please do subscribe right now to this channel right below. Subscribe and hit the notification button or notification bell, so that you guys always know when I drop a new video. So let's get into the lashes. She did an amazing job picking 2 lashes for me. So I'm more into like wispy looks. I've actually already worn these lashes, so I apologize for the fact that they're not gonna be like fresh out of the box, but I did want to try everything before reviewing it. For bigger brands or brands that you can find at Sephora, I don't mind doing first impressions, but I do like checking out brands where I don't necessarily get to see them very readily available. But yeah, so they're wispy. This one I believe is Date Night, if I didn't mix up the back packages, but they're really wispy, and I like more natural looking, like in terms of they look like your lashes, but I don't care if they're really long. They can be really long and wispy, I'll love it. Short wispy, I'll still love it, but as long as they're wispy. So she did a great job picking 2 wispy colors for me, and they both look absolutely gorgeous on the lid, but the more wispier of the 2 is my favorite. The last thing I wanted to review are the glosses. So she picked glosses that would work for my skin tone. Unfortunately, one of them is missing because I gave it to my friend. I was showing everybody her products when we had gone for an event. So everyone was like oohing and ahhing and being like, well, we want some. So I gave one to my friend. But the two that I have here are St. Tropez and Hawaii, and they're freaking beautiful. So the one that my friend has to be LA. So I don't have LA here with me, but they're really pretty, and I'm currently wearing St. Tropez on my lip, and I really like it. It's gorgeous. What I will mention too is that she does deliver, or the brand does deliver worldwide, which I thought was amazing. They will be available in Uganda if you are Ugandan looking for quality makeup. They will be available in Uganda when they do a pop-up in August, but right now you can order online. I know it is hard to, obviously I know, it's hard to order things online in Uganda, so I'd probably recommend ordering them with someone who's coming, that you know, who's coming to the country, because they're very light. It's such a light palette. The lipsticks, liquid lipsticks are really light too, so I feel like you could get a good quantity without being overbearing in someone else's suitcase. So that's basically everything I wanted to showcase in regards to the Aronsé Cosmetics brand. I just got very excited to know that it's a Ugandan girl who really wants to be on the continent doing things here with her cosmetics brand, and I think it is so necessary because we are all very much into makeup here too, just like anywhere else in the world, and it's nice that it's supporting someone who is Ugandan. I think that's huge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out one of the other videos that I have on my channel.